Hi folks, welcome back to Mrfischer Tech channel. As always, you can hear Mirtilla in the background and the birds singing. So what we got here, we got few PCs, laptops. We got one Dell which suffered a damage in the BIOS. The BIOS has been switched from UEFI to Legacy and no more boot. In fact, nothing at all. Then we have a Toshiba. Nice Toshiba, just I think driver issues, no trackpad recognized. I mean, it's recognized, but it's actually not working. And then we got some MacBooks, which there's one with a liquid damage, another couple with a broken screen, and a couple with multiple users but without passwords, because those laptops has been bought from when office change laptops and the employees don't log out from their Apple account. Such things happen and nothing. Thank you for staying tuned and see you the next time. Bye.